Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral integration sine 2x sine x dx. So I is equal to integration sine 2x sine x dx. In trigonometry, sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x sine x this one and dx. Okay, so sine 2x value 2 sine x cos x. We can simplify this. So 2 outside. Okay, sine x multiply sine x, sine square x, this cos x dx, right? Here we use substitution methods. So if we let here u is equal to sine x, so differentiate both sides. So this is du, sine x will be cos x and dx, right? So I function will be 2 integration sine x value we let u, so this is u square, and cos x dx value is du. Now we can easily integrate u square. So this is 2 u 2 plus 1 according to integration formula. This is 2 plus 1 plus c, any arbitrary constant. So this is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can write like this, 2 upon 3 u to the power 3 plus c. And what is u value? Sin x. So we can replace. So our final answer is 2 upon 3 sine x cube or sine cube x plus c. And this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.